So let's move to the actual application architecture. So if you see, it's a four-layer architecture for this application, detailing the technology, design pattern, and so on. The first layer, the user interface or the UI layer, this is the layer where the user sees and interacts with the application. It's built to be modern, responsive, and state-driven, and we have used Jetpack Compose instead of XML. The second layer, the brain of the application. This layer contains the business logic and manages the application's state. It acts like a bridge between the UI and the data source. So between the UI layer and the next layer, which is the data layer, this is the middle layer. The data layer, which is actually the workhorse, and this is where all the data handling happens, from heavy background processing to the interaction or interacting with local and remote data sources as required. This is where it all happens. And then the last one, which is the integration part to and security and so on. For that, the backend services, we have used the cloud, which is Firebase cloud. And the third party integration we have done is for payment is with Razorpay. So this layer provides the necessary cloud infrastructure for authentication, storage of data, secure payments, subscription tracking, and so on, without the need to manage our own server. So this is backend as a service which we have taken.